Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making tofu skin rolls. For this dish we need a pound of either ground chicken or ground pork. I'm using chicken, 2 scallions chopped up. I chop my scallions up and freeze them because I'm notorious for letting them go bad, and this saves them a little longer. Next we're going to finally dice up 1 medium white onion, just into a very small dice, and 2 cloves of garlic. Give these a little choppy chop. We're going to pop these into the bowl with our chicken and our scallions. We're going to season with a teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of kosher salt, half teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, which you can really smell. Sorry, 1.5 teaspoons. Half teaspoon of freshly ground white pepper, half tablespoon each soy sauce and sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 whole egg. All the ingredients will be down in the description box below. We're going to give this a really good mix and set that aside. For our rolls, we're using tofu skin. You can find these in the freezer section of your Asian grocery store. You can also find it dried, but I like these frozen ones because they're a little bit more flexible. Lay out 1 sheet, take about 1.5 tablespoons of our filling, spread this out as evenly as possible, leaving a little space at the end so when we go to roll this, it doesn't push all the way out. Then we're going to just roll this up kind of like a burrito. Giving a little roll, flipping in the sides, and rolling this up as tightly as possible. And we're going to rest this seam side down and continue to do this until we use up all of our tofu skin rolls. You may have some of the filling left over. That's okay, you can use that in soup or just to make a little stir fry. So again, just going in, spreading out, folding up like a little burrito. And I'm just putting these on a baking tray with a little parchment. And this gave me 6 tofu skin rolls. Heating up some oil to 350 degrees for gently placing these in, seam side down, not overcrowding the pan. Going in and giving these a little flip after 5 or 6 minutes, and just cooking these until they're golden and delicious before pulling them out and letting them drain on a baking rack. Now I did split one open, sacrificial dumpling, to make sure the chicken was cooked through. Now to give these a taste. You can really taste that 5 spice. The chicken is savory, the outside of the Yuba skin is crispy, the inside is fluffy and delicious. And these are healthy, a little gluten-free. If you leave out the soy sauce, you can use tamarind instead, and absolutely delicious. But there it is, tofu skin rolls. I hope you'll try to make these in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me again today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you love it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. I may not put one out next week, just an FYI, because I will be in France. But until next time, happy cooking.